This is how you say the Ethiopian months of the year in Amharic. If you're familiar with Ethiopia, you probably have wondered why there is 13 months, right? Ethiopians use their own Ethiopian calendar, which is different from the Gregorian calendar that the Western society uses. In the US, for example, we're in 2025. In Ethiopia, they're in 2017. So, which is pretty cool because every time you go back to Ethiopia, you're time traveling. They are 7 to 8 years behind the Gregorian calendar. They also have 12 months with exactly 30 days each, which means that to make up for the leap year, they add Ogme is the last month of the year, and that sometimes has 5 days and then sometimes it has 6 days depending on the leap year. That is why the Ethiopian calendar is a little different from the Gregorian calendar used in the West. Now that we have a little background about the Ethiopian calendar, I'm gonna base the Ethiopian months based on the Ethiopian calendar. So it's gonna be the first month of the year, which is Meskerem, all the way to Ogme, which is the last month of the year. So the first month of the year in Ethiopia is Meskerem, Meskerem. And then we have Tekemt, Tekemt, Hedar, Hedar, Tahisas, ታህሳስ ጥር ጥር የካቲት የካቲት መጋቢት መጋቢት ሚያዝያ ሚያዝያ ግንቦት ግንቦት ሰኔ ሰኔ ሐምሌ ሐምሌ ነሐሴ ነሐሴ and the last month is Ogme.